Step into the digital reality. This is the motto of EuroBLECH 2018. And that's the agenda. In recent years, there has been a lot of talk about Industry 4.0 and big data. But real application examples have been rather rare so far. This changed fundamentally in 2018. We actually see that our customers are increasingly looking for solutions rather than machines. So a solution in this case is a combination of hardware and software. Software is becoming more and more important for our customers.
The software is the key to be able to connect the machine together, but also to connect the system and the line to the world surrounding.
At EuroBLECH, the world's leading trade fair for the sheet metal working industry, over 1,500 exhibitors from 40 countries presented numerous solutions that are perfectly tailored to the needs of customers. And they change too. The batch sizes are becoming smaller and smaller, which means that the number of orders from our customers is exploding, and there are more and more. The transparency and the visibility, where is which order, is a big help for the people on the shop floor, so they can work faster on their follow-up processes. Schneider and his team are one of the 3 winners of the EuroBLECH 2018 online competition. Outstanding ideas in the areas of startup, e-mobility and digital transformation were awarded prizes. Whether increasing flexibility and speed or reducing rejects and downtimes, digital process chains hold enormous potential. The basis for any digital value creation is data. But collecting the data alone is not enough. We then process this data so that it becomes clear to the customer. How do maintenance intervals develop? How can they organize preventative maintenance? And this increases availability again, because I simply have planned maintenance intervals and there are no unexpected breakdowns. Technological progress in sheet metal processing also goes beyond digitalization. New materials, for example, enable completely new approaches in the field of lightweight construction, an important topic also for e-mobility. If you take a look at what new materials there also are in the metal sector, especially in the steel sector, you will see how dynamic the materials development market is. And these new materials also have to be machined again. The big trend continues to be everything that has to do with digitization and automation. 4 exciting trade fair days, over 50,000 trade visitors, and countless intensive discussions. EuroBLECH 2018 shows the great innovative power of an industry that is developing rapidly.
The technology has completely revolutionized the usage of sheet metal. Digitalization has become a key part of manufacturing generally, and is very relevant here with the sheet metal working community.